Morning students, now let us study our first unit exercise 1.4 relation and function. Determine whether the graph given below refers to the function. So graph you decide that function or not function. How to decide is very easy. Already have to before I explain. So first one, in first one. So according to given data, diagram is given. So this is x-axis, y-axis. So this is origin. So from the data, diagram is only given. This is a function or not function means you draw only line. So the line cut on the one place means is a function. More than two place means definitely is not a function. Definitely more than two places. 1, 2. So this is axis. So it is not a function. It is not a function. It is not a function. Second one, that is, so according to given data, graph is given. So this like that. So draw a line, graph only given data. You draw the one line. So the line cut on the only one place. So it is a function. It is a function. In 1 mark question or 2 mark question in the board exam, justify your answer as a question. Draw a line. The line cut on the one place means a function. The line cut on the more than two place means that is not function. One place set on the line means function. More than one means definitely not a function. Okay, third one. What about third one? Because same like that. From diagram is given. Yes. So draw a line. So the line is touch on the three planes. The line is touch on the three planes. See that? Because three planes touch on the line. Three planes. 1, 2, 3. So it is not a function. It is not a function. Fourth one. So diagram is given according to given data. Diagram is given. So draw a straight line. You only draw. This is the diagram is given according to given data. Draw a line. The line is cut on the one place. So it is a function. It is a function. Function or not function? How to decide it? Because you draw the line. The line touch on the one place means a function. More than one place means not a function. Any doubts? Anybody child? Very good. Yes. Go to the next one. Because second one, first one is over. Next one is second sum exactly. This sum is very important sum. There are so many times as a question paper. Exercise 1.4. Very important sum. 5 mark question. So same concept on example sum having. Try to develop this you. Okay. From according to given data, f from a to b a function, a to b a function, a to b a function, defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1, a equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, and b equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. Find. What about as a question? Find set of ordered pairs. First one, second one, a table. Third one, an arrow diagram. Fourth one, a graph. Yes. Now see that. First you decide from a function f from a to b. A is given, b is given. One condition is given. What about the one condition? F of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. So x means always a. Y means always B. X having or Y having a X having. So A value only substitute. When X equal to 2 substitute. From a data f of x equal to what given? X by 2 minus 1. Value substitute now. That is f of 2 equal to 2 by 2 minus 1 is a cancel. 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus cancel out 2 times will come 0. When x equal to what about the second value? 4. X equal to 4 substitute. F of 4 equal to everyone substitute in this place. F of 4 equal to 4 by 2 minus 1. 2 table 1 time or 2 times. Q minus 1 means 1. When x equal to 6 substitute. F of 6 equal to 6 by 2 minus 1. 2 table 1 time or 3 times. 3 minus 1 how much having? 3 minus 1 equal to 2. When x equal to 10 substitute. F of 10 equal to 10 by 2 minus 1. 2 table 1 time how many times? 5 times. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Any doubt? Anybody check? Very good. When x equal to 12 substitute. F of 12 equal to 12 by 2 minus 1. 2 table 1 time or 6 times. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So there are 5 values substitute. 2 substitute, 4 substitute, 6 substitute, 8 substitute, 10 substitute and 12 substitute. What about the first one? Set of ordered pair. First one, set of ordered pair. Set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pair. So that is R equal to, if you substitute 2 means what about value? 0. 4 means 1. 6 means 2. 10 means 4. 12 means 5. Any doubt? Anybody say? Anybody say? Very good. Second one, table. Yeah, table. So from a data, table substitute. One is f of x, and one is x, f of x. So 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. 2 substitute now 0, 4 substitute now 1, 6 now 2, 10 now 4, 12 now 5. So second one is over. What is the third one? Arrow diagram. And arrow diagram. And arrow diagram. And arrow diagram. Okay, so now let us watch it. First one is a domain. Second one is codomain. This is for A. This is for B. So this is for A. This is for B. Domain, codomain. A altogether value 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. 2 substitute order value. This is value 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9. 2 substitute means what about value? 0. 4 means 1. 6 means 2. 10 means 4. 12 means 5. 9 are nothing, not a problem. So only 5 values. This side is 6 value. Every image of domain is a codomain. This is arrow diagram. Any doubt? Now let us last one, fourth one. Yeah, graph. Yes. One is the x-axis, another one is f of x. X, f of x. X equal to like that, 2, 4 like that. F of x equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9. Now let us watch it. 9 and 10. This is f of x. X equal to 2 substitute what about y value? 0. This 2 comma 0. X equal to 4 substitute f y equal to f of x equal to 1. So 4 comma 1. 6 means 2. 6 means 2. So 6 comma 2. Next one is 10. 10 means 4. 10 means 4. So 10 comma 4. 12 means 5. 12 means 5. So 12,5. Any doubts in anybody? Anybody check? Anybody? Okay, very good. Go to the next one. Third sum. Third one is because same exercise from continuation. Third sum. Same as usual. From the data is given. Arrow diagram, set of ordered path and table only find out. So easy now. Yes, well now let us watch it. Because third sum. First two sum is over. Next one is third sum. Because third one is F from 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Next one is 2 comma 2. Next one is 3 comma 2. Next one is 4 comma 3. 5 comma 4. According to given data, find first one is an arrow diagram and arrow diagram and arrow diagram. Second one is a table. Third one a graph. Yes, now let us watch it. That is all the data is given. F from 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 4. Find an arrow diagram, a table, a graph. Yes, first we decide for arrow diagram. First one is an arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. Yes, now let us watch inside. First circle is a domain. Second circle is a codomain. This is A. This is B. First one is A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. Repeated value don't write. 2, 3, 4. So 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2, 3 goes to 2, 4 goes to 3, 5 goes to 4. Any doubt? Next one. What about the second one? Second one, a table. A table. Is one is here x, another one is f of x. F of x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 substitutes 2, 2 substitutes 2, 3 substitutes 2, 4 means 3, 5 means 4. Any doubt? Anybody? Next one. Third one. A graph. A graph. So, x-axis 1 centimeter 1 unit. Y-axis means f of x. This is also 1 centimeter 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now let us x equal to 1 means what about value? 1 comma 2. 1 means 2. So 1 comma 2. This is 2 means again 2 comma 2. 3 means again 3 comma 2. 4 means what about value? 3. 4 means what? 3. So 4 comma 3. Now let us 5 means 4. 5 means 4. 5 comma 4. Yes, any doubt? Anybody check? Anybody? Very good. Now let us go to our fourth sum. Same letters, fourth sum. Because what about as a question? Show that the function is f from n to n. When f of x equal to 2x minus 1, it is 1 to 1, but not onto. Into or onto. Already explained some type of function. 1 to 1, 1 to 1 onto function, into function. Anything having means into function. There is no having means in codomain. Into function or onto function decide for codomain only. Yes. Now exercise 1.4 fourth sum. See that show that the function f from n to n. Actually, what is meaning for n? Natural number. Yes. Now watch it. Defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1, but not onto function. Now see that? Yes, very simple. From natural number a to b both are natural number. 1, 2, 3, like that and so on. One condition is given. What about one condition given according to given data? F of x equal to 2x minus 1. From the natural number starting beginning number is 1. X equal to 1 substitute. So one condition is given. F of x equal to 2x minus 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. When x equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 means 3. When x equal to 3 substitute, f of 3 means 2 into 3 minus 1, 6 minus 1 means 5. Now, see the diagram. This is for domain, this is for codomain. A, this is a natural number. B, this is also natural number A to B. From natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. 1 substitutes what about value will become 1. 2 substitutes what about value 3. So 3 substitutes what about value 5. So every image of domain is codomain. So this side one element go to one place, but this side alternative element will come. So remaining some elements are it is 1 to 1. It is 1 to 1, but not on to function. But not on to function. It is actually it is 1 to 1 and on into function and into function. How did we say that into and onto function? Anything having input domain, anything having so much of value having, 2 is having, 4 having, 6 having, 8 having, all the number of answer will come. So it is 1 to 1 and the into function. What about answer? What about you do that? It is 1 to 1, but not onto function. Any doubt? Okay, last sum, fifth sum, same like that. Show that the function f from n to n, f of m equal to fifth sum, f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3. So is 1 to 1 function, is 1 to 1 function. Same as usual. But what about the condition? F of m equal to m square plus m plus 3. M square plus m plus 3. When x equal to 1 substitute, f of 1 equal to, you know what about the value? F of 1 equal to 1 square 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1 plus 3. What about value? 5. X equal to 2 substitute. Is m equal to substitute. X means m. That's all. X equal to 2 substitute. 2 square plus 2 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 plus 2 5 9. Next 3 substitute. 3 square plus 3 plus 3 9 plus 6 15. Same like that A to B and also A to B. 1 substitute what about will answer come? 1 means 5. Where is go to 1? 1 means 5. What about the 2 substitute means 9. 2 means 9. What about the 3 means? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. 15 and so on. So 3 substitute means 15. It is 1 to 1. It is 1 to 1 function. It is 1 to 1 only to 1. Not equal to non to value. It is only 1 to 1. Any doubts anybody? Thank you very much for next class. Thank you, child.